Hi everyone. Good evening. Welcome to 360DigiTMG channel. And this is specifically for you people who have completed their data science or data analytics or machine learning trainings. This program, the agenda that I'm going to speak about now, is specifically for the people who have completed their trainings. You are in the right place, friends, because you have undergone your training already. But the problem is you're not able to get a job. Majority of you people are having this problem. You're not able to get the job. This is because a lot of people don't understand how to deal with the machine learning models beyond a point of theoretical scope. So theoretically, you are very good. But how do you practically implement it? And especially, how do you give your trained model to your customers so that they start using it? These are the specific points that we will be targeting. So if you are a person who is already trained in machine learning, in statistical modeling, in data science, if you're already familiar with Python, then this program allows you to work on a free internship program, a free internship project. Yes, that's right, free. So you will have to register, showcase that you have already undergone the training and you're familiar with these concepts, machine learning concepts to be precise. Then you would be allotted a project where your specific focus would be on model deployment and model maintenance. So you'll be focusing on maintenance and monitoring, or monitoring and maintenance. The project is of two phases, which will be completed in just 30 days. Right? Your focus will be completely on learning and implementing the learning. This is basically what you will be doing in the next 30 days. This is your focus. And in order to grab this opportunity that probably is not coming towards you, you would have to upskill yourself on model deployment and implementation of the machine learning workflow so that your environment, your entire environment that you have created, the machine learning model, the libraries, the dependencies, and all that are given to your end user. Now, let me introduce myself. My name is Sharat, and I'm one of the directors with Innodatatics. This is my profile. I have overall 17 plus years in the industry, and I'm responsible for taking care of a lot of deployments for our client projects. We work in the space of data science, artificial intelligence, and pretty much all the latest of the technologies that are there in the industry, which are making a lot of buzz nowadays. So how do you deploy or how do you give this application to your end users is something that we will have to focus on. I have experience in various industries, friends. I'm not specifically coming from any domain. I'm basically from an IT background, but I am fortunate to work on various domains, diversified domains like agriculture, retail, manufacturing, and I'm very proud of my work with respect to the life sciences healthcare industry. I come from an IT background, but I was fortunate to work with an elite team of oncologists who do a lot of research in dealing with cancer treatment for patients. And this is me. So statistical analysis was conducted on a lot of patients' data that we have. And then the specialist teams basically use that particular statistical information for making conclusions. So your education does not restrict you to explore various industries. Right? This is one of the examples that I'm quoting here. Now, you would be getting an opportunity to work on these kind of projects. And our team, right? I train a lot of people under the banner of 360DigiTMG. And our people here, my students, along with various other trainer students, have got placed in various big companies. Why? Because we focus on end-to-end implementation of the machine learning models. And we thought, why not we share our knowledge with everyone? So you might have undergone your training in your academics, right, graduation program, or you might have undergone training from different reputed universities or private institutions. But do you lack this experience on how do you deploy the projects and how do you maintain the projects and what are the integrities that you'll have to look into? Then be part of the project. As I said, all you have to do is register for your yourself. There will be a Google form which will be shared in the WhatsApp group. Register yourself and showcase a proof that, yes, this is what I have done. This is what I'm undergoing as a training. If you're not trained, if you're not familiar with machine learning concepts and data science concepts, then you might want to join another internship program, which is basically starting from scratch. This is for people who are already familiar with the machine learning concepts. Now, if I scroll down, you will be able to see our alumni. You can go to the success stories. These are the list of people who have joined various companies, and we keep updating this particular sheet here. If I download it, I would get a PDF file. You can also always download it. It's freely available. And if I scroll down, you can see our students are part of big companies, major big companies like HCL, Capgemini, Infosys. We talk about Cognizant, Factly, GSM Solutions, TCS, Deloitte, right? PwC, Novartis. So all big companies, Accenture, right? So we try and find a way to push our students into big companies because of the skills that they have gained while working with us, while training with us. You might want to also learn about their experiences, and this you can get directly from the YouTube channel. So you can go to the YouTube channel of 360DigiTMG. This is the URL. And you can subscribe for this channel, and you will be getting a lot of beautiful videos which can help you gain a lot of knowledge. Whether you are a starter, whether you're already practicing a lot of things, you want to expertise in some specific area. So based on different level of your learning curves, you can try and get that information here on the channel. Right? These are the videos. We keep conducting success stories, friends. We keep sharing the interviews of a lot of reputed people in the industry. They're working as presidents and vice presidents and various senior management folks will be introduced to you people. We request them to onboard, we request them to come live and share their experiences. Right? Industry experience is very, very important, and you will be able to gain a lot of knowledge from that. All right. So these are all the various things that you basically get advantage of this. All right. Every day, in fact, we try to bring in success stories. Right? This is happening live on YouTube channel. They share their experiences, and they'll also explain how they have cracked the interviews, what were the important things that they have learned, and how they cracked their interviews, what are the tricks that they followed to prepare for the interviews, right? All these things basically are shared with our alumni. So you might want to subscribe and get a lot of this information. Next, I would also want you people to experiment or explore the website, because there are learning resources that will help you. Mind map, a lot of mind maps are there for your quick learning. So a lot of information, a lot of material is there on the website. Please welcome. You can explore yours. So this is about the company, and Innodatatics, in association with 360DigiTMG, is bringing up this 30-day internship program, which is absolutely free. The first 20 days of this program will be a learning phase. You might claim that, hey, I have already completed the training, but all you are going to do is revise and participate in quiz. Every morning, 6 a.m., 12 p.m., and 6 p.m., you would be given recorded videos, YouTube videos, posted in the group so that you can go through them, quickly go through them. And at the night, 9 p.m. IST, you will have questions, LinkedIn questions. So you also want to connect to the LinkedIn platform. So subscribe to LinkedIn as well. This is the 360DigiTMG channel, right? And basically we are going into these polls and right, all these other questions that are getting posted. Let me show you. And you'll also see a lot of this information on LinkedIn as well. You see a lot of information that helps you. Light Auto ML, new libraries. So you'll also be able to understand what are these new libraries that probably you have not heard about. Data warehousing architecture. What exactly happens in data warehousing? Right? So these are the various things that you will be learning. And let me show you quiz questions as well. Okay, I'm not able to find the quiz questions. Okay, fine. So you would basically get a lot of information on this, and ensure that you subscribe to this and you get the questions also posted. Okay. All right. Next. As I said, you might want to experiment or explore the learning resources as well. All this learning will help you to deal with or decode the skills that are required for deployment of the trained model. So our team of experts have worked on these projects already, and they have done the training. Now you will have to learn how to deploy this model for the customer scenario. We will assign an expert, industrial expert, right? And these people will explain what their experience is, and in their experience, how do you deploy it? All these things you'll come to know. And you would be learning the skill of deployment and post-deployment maintenance. So through the entire journey of your work, right, implementation, you would have an expert assigned from our side to you. There will be a meeting every day. 15 minutes meeting will happen over weekdays, Monday to Friday, excluding the public holidays and right, the regular holidays that we have. But otherwise, Monday to Friday, 15 minutes meeting. And we will only be discussing two things in this meeting. What you have done based on the previous meeting information, what is that you have done, and what you are supposed to do for the next, before the next meeting. These are the two things that we will be discussing. And if any challenges are there, then you would also be coming up with those challenges, and we will guide you on overcoming those challenges. So two things, and we'll be discussing about the challenges. At the end of the program, once you're successfully completing the internship work, you would be receiving a project completion certificate from 360DigiTMG. And remember, we are not charging a penny. Before the program or after the program or while the program, there is no charge. It is completely free. The only prerequisite is that you have to showcase that you have already undergone training on these concepts, machine learning concepts. Tomorrow being a national holiday, we will be starting our session on 16th August. The meeting time would be communicated in the group. Ensure that you attend the meeting without fail, because the rules are very stringent and you will have to abide with the rules and regulations, and you cannot skip the meetings. All that information will be discussed in the meeting on 16th August. All right. So this is about the program, friends. Now let me see if you guys have any questions. If you people have any questions. As I mentioned, there will be a Google form that will be shared in the WhatsApp group. And you would have to register yourself by filling up the form. And of course, you'll also have to share the proof that you have completed your data science training or machine learning training already. The project, yes, would be completely online. You will have to follow the WhatsApp group for any kind of information, and you start working on the instructions that are given. So it is completely online. If you are here to learn model building, then this is not the project group. You need to join another project meeting, which generally happens on Fridays. In those meetings, yes, you'll learn how to train the model and how to develop the model. So in this particular project, you will be working on already trained model. You will be deploying it. Any other questions? You will have to look out for opportunities to get internships with respect to those projects which include specific skill that you are interested in. Nobody is going to ask you to join a company and learn and then do the work and they give salary. It doesn't happen that way. You would have to chase people who are working on these kind of projects. You'll have to approach, you'll have to write to them. You should start working as an intern for free to gain the knowledge. Industry knowledge is important. So target for those kind of projects which you are interested in. That's the first step that you'll have to do. LinkedIn would be a very good platform to start. Is this experience? I already mentioned 16th August would be the first day. Please watch out for the WhatsApp message. You will be able to get all that information about the meeting start time. Date is 16th August. This internship is not only for experience. I never mentioned that it is for experienced people. Please understand. If you're already trained with machine learning concepts, if you know how to develop a machine learning model, then you join this group. If you are not trained, if you don't know, then you have to join another WhatsApp group, another project group where you will be learning those skills to start. There is no training. There will be a YouTube video link that will be shared. 3 links will be shared, 6 a.m., 12 p.m. and in the evening 6 p.m. You'll have to go through the recorded video and answer the questions that are getting posted on the LinkedIn. You will have to show the proof that you are undergoing the training or you have undergone the training. After the project completion, we will identify the best performers and we will guide them further to get their profiles filtered, mock interviews, right? Those kind of benefits you will get. Remember, this is a CSR program, community service program, and this is a free program, and you are getting a certificate for doing your learning. Okay, all right. Please watch out the WhatsApp group, friends, for further communication. You can also see the links shared in the YouTube video here, the live chat. You can subscribe to the WhatsApp group if you have not subscribed yet. And there will be a Google form link that will be shared there so that you can register yourself for the project. I'll see you all on 16th August. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful evening and happy Independence Day. Thank you.